Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode. So guys, today's episode is not about means it is about diet, but not the diet I do through the week or through the month. थोड़ा बहुत cheating तो होता है ये diet में, but always I think it's advisable to have one cheat day where आप दिल खोल के cheat करो. ठीक है, and I happen to be in the city of Hyderabad. Now, this is a food lover city, just in case you guys didn't know. And there is so much beyond just the biryani that we have heard about. I started coming here 2005 में, ठीक है, तो 2005 से लेके अब तक, of course शहर बहुत बदल गया है. Restaurants, I cannot count the number of restaurants that have come since then. And while there are some new places which make some epic food, we have the classic places which have been there forever, which make dishes which taste the same. And while I had decision fatigue कि क्या ऑर्डर करूँ, कहीं से कहाँ से ऑर्डर करूँ, क्योंकि आज तो मेरा cheat day है, ठीक है. These are my personal favorites from all the suggestions that I have received from my friends, and I really wanted to share them with you. So I have invited my team to join me for this lunch, क्योंकि एक psychology है कि जब आप cheat कर रहे हो तो group में cheat करना और अच्छा लगता है. So I wanted my team to be here while we are enjoying this food, and so that we can all cheat together. I don't know if that sounds right, but that's what we'll be doing. So here we are. As I said, cheating is best done when you have company, especially when it's with food. The last line was uncalled for. Anyways, so I have two of my team members here. मैं पाया से शुरू कर रही हूँ. This is not that it's of any great importance, but I don't eat mutton in general. Paya is a soup which doesn't have pieces, so it touches your soul. Okay, it is not a regular soup. ये मतलब it takes you to another. This I can have anytime. And एक joke बताओ, हमारे साथ आज एक vegetarian friend भी है. Joke क्यों? Because मुझे हमेशा एक friend में वो एक बंदा रहेगा फ्रेंड्स के ग्रुप में जो वेजिटेरियन है या वीगन है या just feels for animals, or somebody will be there and they will tend to be a very close friend in a way where you care about them and like, oh okay, you know, there should be something for them also. So guys, I asked for suggestions vegetarian टेस्टी खाने के लिए हैदराबाद में, और किसी ने मुझे ठीक से जवाब ही नहीं दिया. कुछ फ्रेंड्स ने तो बात करना ही बंद कर दिया. मुझे पूछा कि मैं हैदराबाद आई क्यों अगर मुझे वेजिटेरियन खाना चाहिए था तो. बट आई थिंक they're exaggerating. There are quite a few cute vegetarian places, but they said they only go there for breakfast. मतलब नाश्ते के लिए वेज ठीक है, लेकिन अगर आप होटल का खाना मंगा रहे हो तो अभी सब्जी आलू गोभी कौन खाता है वैसे. फिर भी मैंने रिसर्च किया और अच्छा वेजिटेरियन खाना मंगाया.
पुलाव.
Okay. This is sublime, guys. You have to try it. What should we go in for next? Starter.
You have to cut that.
It's a.
I'll get it. You want the food?
I want a tiny piece of this. I don't know how to.
Take it from the.
I'll start with prawns. It's already tiny. मैं एक और बात बता दूं, अगर कैमरा नहीं होता तो मुझे कुछ शर्म नहीं है अपने हाथों के साथ खाना लेके ऐसे खाने का. सडनली मुझे एक वो है कि मुझे अभी प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, तो मैं उस अर्ज को फाइट करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. लेकिन मैं प्रॉन्स के साथ शुरू करूंगी. ये अंतेरा से है, आई थिंक तेलंगाना स्टाइल प्रॉन्स.
वेल्लुल्ली कारम प्रॉन्स.
वेल्लुल्ली कारम. तो जो नॉर्थ इंडियन मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं फिलहाल देख रहे हैं, कारम इज बेसिकली पेपर, राइट? पेपर एंड चिल्ली और something like that. Garlic. Okay, I need a spoon. And मेरा टेस्ट बहुत बदल गया है यहाँ पे खा के. There was a time where I think a 2 millimeter piece of green chilli would burn my tongue for the next 48 hours. That doesn't happen anymore. It got immune because यहाँ red chilli powder के बिना तो. And now I started finding rest of the country's food a little bland after eating so much spicy food for so long. अब prawns लोगे? अरे, she said no. Guys, one more thing about my face. The tastier the food is, the more expressionless I get.
More expression.
Less.
Okay.
मतलब जितना blank मेरा मुंह है उतना tasty खाना है. And I want to soak in the taste, so I don't do much. I'm trying to express, oh wow, it's so good. It's so good that I can't make an expression right now. Also, हमने शूट किया YouTube के लिए yesterday और today, और पैकअप का पार्टी है ये छोटा सा इसलिए सबका टेस्ट अभी डबल आ रहा है क्योंकि मेहनत के बाद लगता है कि यार मैंने कमाया है, आई अर्न दिस मील एंड इट्स अ वीकेंड एंड आई डिजर्व दिस, सो यू नो देन द टेस्ट ऑफ फूड हिट्स डिफरेंट.
It was nice.
It's a very petty selfish thing I feel happy about. See guys, जब आप किसी के साथ खाते हो ना तब आपको उनका कैरेक्टर पता चलता है.
हाँ.
तो फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे कैरेक्टर के बारे में आपको आज थोड़ी बहुत चीजें पता चलेंगी फॉर श्योर. वन इज व्हेन देयर इज रियली गुड नॉन-वेज फूड एंड देयर इज अ वेजिटेरियन फ्रेंड, मुझे एक अजीब सी खुशी होती है कि सारा का सारा खाना मेरे लिए. आई नो वेरी सेल्फिश बट वो है अभी और मैं आपको प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं जो भी हूँ आपको बोल दूंगी. सो प्लीज फील फ्री टू जज. ओके
है उसमें
हाँ.
छोटा भी. ओके.
मैं हाथों से तोड़ूंगी ये.
Please.
आप जज कर सकते हैं. मुझे इतनी भूख लग रही है, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
I heard about your childhood chicken love.
ओह गॉड. हाँ, एक कहानी है जो my dad will tell you because he's a Punjabi, very proud that his little toddler was asking for chicken when she couldn't even say mama papa properly. So this was then एक कल्चर था 90s में. आप हर दिन नॉनवेज नहीं खाते थे. एक वो होता था संडे को जाएंगे बाहर जाके खाएंगे, ठीक है. सो वी यूज्ड टू गो टू द क्लब एंड आई कांट रिमेंबर, आई वाज 2 or 3 or whatever, noticed that I'm liking chicken and it has protein and whatever his thing was. वो ऑर्डर करते थे. Guys, I want to clarify, मैं ये आजकल नहीं करती, बचपन में करती थी. बचपन मतलब 3 साल 2 साल. I used to take this piece like this, do this, and start running, saying, "Yeah, I got a chicken piece today." And
I heard
it
this.
wasn't something they were very proud about because people would look and they used to think, अरे बेचारे को खाना नहीं मिलता ठीक से, चिकन के लिए इतना खुश हो रही है बच्चे. So my dad would be like, no, we feed her really well. जैसे लोग अपने पेट्स के लिए बोलते हैं, पता नहीं आपसे क्यों खाना मांग रहे हैं, हम तो बहुत खिलाते हैं इसको घर पे. So yeah, that's my earliest memory. Oh God. Another thing about me, if it's very tasty, I can look like I'm in pain. क्योंकि मेरे से प्रोसेस नहीं हो रहा कि ये कितना टेस्टी है.
You can also talk about
This is
and the masala seasoning.
This is Seasons Express grilled chicken. मैंने ये पहली बार एयरपोर्ट में टेस्ट किया था at Hyderabad airport in the food court, and I think it was the best cooked grilled chicken. That's a skill. They also give this seasoning powder which has like garlic and chili and salt. I don't know. And I got very upset that in home deliveries when I asked for extra portion of, there's no option to ask for extra seasoning. So that is the highlight. And also on many occasions when I'm landing in Hyderabad, I eat at the airport itself. I don't know why I'm giving this information, but basically because this restaurant has a branch there, and it's like, oh, once I reach, I will have grilled chicken and I will have hummus and I will have kunafa and the whole. So I have the whole meal and come.
I remember once we went to Bangalore and she and her mom ate their pie, Bangalore ka something, apple pie or something.
हाँ.
Airport पे.
So this is like the best grilled chicken ever. I'm comparing it to the continental ones that I've eaten, the proper one which comes with, you know, mashed potatoes and those boiled veggies on the side and some mushroom sauce in it. Those are good, no doubt. They're nowhere close to this. You don't need anything else for this. This makes a Sunday worth celebrating. Oh,
You should try this.
already kind of half full.
Finishing this. You want to go for biryani?
Chinese on some size 0 diet.
Yeah.
सबको पतली कमर बनानी है आजकल.
Let's start with rumali. I mean, you can eat this with rumali also. It tastes good.
Okay, great.
Because I belong to your.
Yeah. Please.
Of course. एक और चीज जिनको ये बहुत एटिकेट का शौक है खाते हुए. No, it's nice. It's good. I think in a public place or you should have some etiquette. But यार ये खाना आप हाथों से खाओगे, ठीक है? If you ate it with a fork and spoon and didn't find it as good, it's not my fault. It's on you. Completely on you. It has to be eaten with hands.
The best part about the chicken is I like the top layer of
Guys, I have lots to say, but I'm really busy chewing.
Feeling it.
और मैंने जान के white नहीं पहना क्योंकि I have another pattern. If I'm wearing white, I will spill something on it. It's not an if or a maybe. And if it's an oily gravy, it will be that gravy only.
Yeah.
Only on white.
Only
Yeah,
on white.
only on white.
If I wear black, it's an insurance. I won't spill a drop.
हाँ.
Or brown, grape, any other color. तो guys, जो vegetarian मेरे को recommendation मिला था, एक तो था वांकाई पुलाव. वांकाई is brinjal. छोटा बैंगन जो होता है, I think. तो मैं टेस्ट तो करूँगी. This looks good. And there's a combination which is ragi sankati with
Fire.
like a acha paya.
Not a curry also.
Okay, so there's also country chicken curry that you have with it, or you have it with paya. We'll be having it with paya.
Just taste it and let us know how is it.
Yeah, I'm putting everything on my plate at one go.
Wow.
क्योंकि मुझे एक बार see anything I'm enjoying, I don't want to do work in between it. चाहे वो शूटिंग हो, चाहे वो खाना हो, चाहे वो जो भी हो, मुझे मजे के काम करनी है तो काम वाली चीजें सारे पहले कर लो. तो सर्विंग माई सेल्फ ऑन द प्लेट आई एम डूइंग फर्स्ट. ये हो गया रागी संगटी ओके. एंड पाया विच इज फ्रॉम अंतेरा. वी गॉट this veg biryani is from
Telangana Spice Kitchen.
was really good. भाई और बहनों जो मेरे पे हंस रहे थे जब मैंने बोला कि वेजिटेरियन के लिए मेरे को उतना सपोर्ट नहीं मिला, ये वांकाई पुलाव है. दिस इज रियली गुड. तो अंडर एस्टिमेट मत करना कभी, ठीक है?
आपको कैसे लगा निशा?
अच्छा है.
Because you are from north and
Yeah, this is different.
you like it?
Yeah.
Are you usually a biryani person?
हाँ. Veg. I don't think veg.
Next I am having the paya. Guys, I'm going to get the reactions of the team members also. वो लोग मतलब रिकॉर्डिंग खत्म होने के बाद मजे लेने वाले हैं, उस टाइम मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. अभी तो लग रहा है कि सिर्फ मैं खा रही हूँ, ठीक है? Even this is kind of comfort food, I guess. Paya and this. हाँ, this is how I think one must treat. See, I'll tell you, बहुत ही पंच डायलॉग मुझे एक रेस्टोरेंट में बोला गया. मैं डेजर्ट ऑर्डर कर रही थी और डिस्कस कर रही थी अपनी बहन के साथ कि आई थिंक दिस हैज शुगर हो, आई थिंक दिस हैज जैगरी हो, आई थिंक. एंड देन आई सेड चलो लिटिल बिट चीटिंग वंस इन अ व्हाइल आई थिंक इज फाइन. And the guy was taking the order said, "Ma'am, can I say something?" I said, "Sure." I don't know why he felt so free to give this advice. He said, "Ma'am, cheating is cheating. It's not small cheating, big cheating. Since you are cheating, just go all in and cheat properly. Order the cake with ice cream, falooda, something." It was all sugar, all berry, all everything. And I was convinced, so I actually cheated well.
Yeah, no small, no big cheating. Cheating is
Let's
cheating.
hit the biryani.
Okay, done. Guys, peace de resistance biryani. For I don't think there's anyone in the country who doesn't speak about Hyderabadi biryani. You know, Nisha was reminding me about एक कुछ चॉकलेट का ऐड आता था where there's this cricket team going for practice और एक बंदा है जो भूख के मारे चिढ़ चुका है, मतलब वो गुस्सा हो रहा है, बोला बात मत कर यार, कुछ भी है यार. And the friend knows he's hungry. तो बोलता है इसको स्निकर दे, इसको जब भूख लगती है तो ये हीरोइन बन जाता है. ओके, तो निशा का था आप ऑलरेडी हीरोइन हो, जब आपको भूख लगती है पता नहीं क्या बन जाते हो. Because it's an avatar for the day, I don't know what I'll become. So in the world's interest of world peace, I should not be kept hungry for too long. If I start getting hungry, the ones who know the problem I have will give me something to eat. Thankfully now I have biryani from Shadab. Again, आपको अगर अच्छी बिरयानी खानी हो, यहाँ पे आपको डिसीजन फटीग होगा बिकॉज देयर आर बहुत सारी जगह है जहाँ पे हैदराबाद की बेस्ट बिरयानी मिलती है और वो सच भी है. आप बोल नहीं पाओगे कौन सा बेटर है. मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ एक्सप्रेशन देने की पर नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि जब मेरे होश उड़ जाता है मेरी एक्सप्रेशन नहीं आता. ओह गॉड, मैं एक डायलॉग बोलना चाहूँगी. मेरी एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली हैदराबाद आई थी, उन्होंने पूछा था अच्छा कहाँ पे खाना खाना है बिरयानी के लिए, वेयर डू वी गो. आई सेंड देम 5 or 6 recommendations after asking friends. And my friend's dad said this dialogue, हैदराबाद की बिरयानी की चावल के हर एक दाने पे मैं कविताएं लिख सकता हूँ. I can write poetry on every grain of the rice. And I actually agree with him. Dada, I thought it was too filmy. अभी शायरी आ रही है. It's not rhyming but it's शायरी. Oh God, this was an पैसा वसूल cheat day, guys. I think I'll do this every Sunday. Or whichever day, actually doesn't matter. तो इतने बड़े चीट मील के बाद आई थिंक Dessert is kind of a done, right? मीठा तो खाना पड़ेगा. अभी एक dish है, it's called Apricot Delight. I really wanted to review it, but they were not doing home delivery of it today because I guess the restaurant's really crowded. So I will do that in another episode. We have got kaddu ka kheer. I'm having this for the first time. And double ka meetha, which I have eaten before, but not from this particular place. Where is this from? The kheer? Mehfil, okay. It's very creamy. Very tasty, no doubt. Oh. I think I will take a nap. It's so good. And now I'm gonna have double ka meetha. I thought I'll have it with ice cream, but I don't think there's any space left for any more food experimentation. I will just have this as it is. Guys, I'm not giving a score. These dishes are all beyond a 10. I think I'm going to cry. It's so good. So just a warning, if you are going to eat this kind of a meal, it is not designed for productivity. You will want to take a nap after that. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me virtually for my cheat meal. It was really enjoyable having your company. The truth is that I really need to go sleep. I don't have any more energy. I've eaten too much. Love you all. Bye-bye. Take care.